Jacksonville, located in the northeastern part of Florida, has a diverse history, rich traditions, and a vibrant culture. Let's explore some key aspects. 1. History. Native American influence. The Jacksonville area was inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Timucua people, for thousands of years before European settlement. European colonization. The city was founded in 1822 and named after Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States. It played a significant role in the colonization of Florida by Europeans. Civil rights movement. Jacksonville has a complex history with regard to the civil rights movement. The city experienced significant racial tensions and played a role in the struggle for civil rights in the 20th century. 2. Tradition and culture. Southern charm. Jacksonville reflects the cultural influences of the American South, with a blend of hospitality, charm, and traditions associated with Southern culture. Coastal heritage. Located on the St. Johns River and the Atlantic coast, Jacksonville has a strong connection to its maritime history. Fishing, boating, and water-related activities are an integral part of the local culture. Military presence. Jacksonville has a substantial military presence, including Naval Air Station Jacksonville and Naval Station Mayport. This military influence is reflected in the local culture and economy. Sports. Jacksonville is home to professional sports teams, including the Jacksonville Jaguars, NFL, and Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp, minor league baseball. Sports, particularly football, have a significant following and contribute to the local culture. 3. Cultural events and festivals. Jacksonville Jazz Festival. The city hosts the Jacksonville Jazz Festival, one of the largest free jazz festivals in the United States. The festival showcases local and national jazz artists and attracts music enthusiasts from around the country. Riverside Arts Market. The Riverside Arts Market is a weekly event where local artists, musicians, and vendors come together to showcase their work. It offers a variety of arts, crafts, fresh produce, and live performances. African American cultural heritage. Jacksonville celebrates its African American heritage through various events and institutions like the Ritz Theater and Museum, which showcases African American history, art, and culture. 4. Natural beauty and outdoor recreation. Jacksonville boasts beautiful natural surroundings, including beaches, rivers, and parks. Residents and visitors enjoy activities such as surfing, kayaking, hiking, and exploring the city's many green spaces. The Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens. The city is home to a renowned zoo and botanical gardens that showcase diverse wildlife and plant species from around the world. It offers educational programs and family-friendly events. Jacksonville's history, traditions, and cultural events create a unique tapestry that reflects its diverse heritage and contemporary identity. Whether experiencing the city's rich history, attending vibrant festivals, or enjoying outdoor recreation, Jacksonville offers a blend of Southern charm, coastal influences, and a welcoming community. The lifestyle of the people in Jacksonville, Florida, is influenced by various factors, including the city's coastal location, diverse population, and Southern culture. Here are some aspects of the lifestyle commonly observed in Jacksonville. 1. Outdoor activities. With its beautiful beaches, rivers, and abundant green spaces, Jacksonville offers numerous opportunities for outdoor recreation. 1. Residents often engage in activities such as surfing, fishing, boating, kayaking, paddleboarding, and beachcombing. 1. The city's pleasant weather allows for year-round enjoyment of outdoor pursuits. 2. Water-centric lifestyle. Jacksonville's proximity to the St. Johns River and the Atlantic Ocean contributes to a water-centric lifestyle. 2. Boating and water sports are popular, and many residents own boats or regularly visit marinas and waterfront areas. 2. Fishing is also a beloved pastime in Jacksonville, with ample opportunities for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. 3. Sports enthusiasm. Jacksonville has a strong sports culture, with enthusiastic support for professional and collegiate teams. 3. The Jacksonville Jaguars, NFL, attract passionate fans, and college football, particularly the Florida-Georgia game held annually at the Jacksonville Municipal Stadium, draws a large crowd. 3. Additionally, the city hosts various sporting events and tournaments throughout the year, 4. Relaxed pace. Jacksonville has a reputation for a laid-back and relaxed lifestyle. 4. The city's southern roots contribute to a slower pace of life compared to some larger metropolitan areas. 4. Residents often appreciate the sense of community, take time to enjoy leisure activities, and prioritize work-life balance. 5. Culinary scene. Jacksonville offers a diverse and evolving culinary scene. 5. The city is known for its seafood, with a variety of restaurants serving fresh catches from local waters. 5. Southern cuisine, including barbecue and comfort food, is also prominent. 5. Additionally, the city's multicultural population has influenced the availability of international cuisines, providing a wide range of dining options. 6. Community involvement. Jacksonville residents value community engagement and often participate in local initiatives and organizations. 6. There is a sense of pride in the city, and residents actively support local businesses, farmers markets, and community events. 6. Volunteering and philanthropy are also important aspects of the community fabric. 7. Family-friendly environment. Jacksonville is often seen as a family-friendly city. 7. It offers a range of recreational activities, parks, and family-oriented events and festivals. 7. The city has reputable schools and neighborhoods that cater to families, and there are various entertainment options suitable for all ages. It's important to note that individual lifestyles can vary, and not everyone may conform to these generalizations. However, these aspects collectively contribute to the overall lifestyle and atmosphere